this is Nedi, your Forex coach. In today's video, we'll be looking at profitability, and this is a very important subject, something of concern to every Forex trader, whether you're a beginner or you are a professional Forex trader. Profitability has been a whole lot of issue and concern to everyone. Of course, in trading the markets, your major objective is to make profit. So we're looking at these and many other things associated with this topic today. I thought it appropriate to bring you this learning today. Profitability, a lot of traders, particularly the beginner traders, have thought that profitability, the subject of profitability, has a lot to do with strategy, but that is wrong. Actually, your strategy contributes just about 20%, if not less, to your profitability, how good your strategy is. You see, there is no holy grail strategy, an almighty strategy that someone can trade with and make profit. You see, looking up to professionals, what coaches, Forex coaches around the world and Forex knowledge facilitators are doing around the world, really does not bring that solution. What actually brings the solution? What actually answers the question? What actually will satisfy your search is you mastering a particular strategy. You decide to pick on any strategy, and like I've always said, make it simple. No matter what it is, if you are trading chart patterns or you are just using candlesticks or a combination of candlesticks and maybe the fundamentals or use of moving averages as you apply it. And it doesn't matter what you've been taught in the past. You can look at the charts. If you're intelligent enough, you can look at the charts. What matters in making money in trading is you being able to predict accurately price directions, price movements, your speculations, whatever it is that you can use to speculate price movements accurately. All right? It can work, and if it's consistently working for you and over a period of time you've done some kind of back testing, then that becomes your strategy. From my own perspective and with a whole lot of experience in the market, I've come to understand that why a lot of people haven't been profitable trading the Forex. Number one could be because the thing Forex trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not. You need to get this. It will take you some years of experience and testing of your strategy for you to attain profitability. Profitability in Forex trading is actually a state. It's something that you can attain, and it comes as a result of hard work. You really need to put in a lot of efforts into this. All right? You may have traded and failed. You had some drawdowns. You've blown a lot of accounts. The reason is, do you still have passion to trade Forex? Do you still have passion to continue in this your chosen field? Because this is a profession, and there is a trajectory to follow. There is a success trajectory to follow, which is what I'm trying to bring to you today. It's not about one particular thing, but what I can call it is your ability to master your strategy. Your ability to master your strategy and build a confidence in that particular strategy. And any strategy that has the potential of profitability, and I mean, you have tried it a lot of times and you're able to make some money, or you tried it on a practice or demo account and you observe that it has the potential of predicting price action, then you can hang on to that. A lot of new traders, they think making money, there is a particular strategy that you need to, so they keep jumping from one strategy to the other. That is one thing that you really will need to avoid. There's no holy grail, strategy that you can use to trade the market profitably. And profitability in Forex trading is not solely dependent on a good strategy. There is no one out there. There is no holy grail strategy out there that is guaranteed, to keep you profitable in the markets all the time. But I tell you, what can give you that level of consistency in trading is your ability to master the use of your chosen strategy. Whether it's support and resistance that you are trading, you are applying moving averages to your trade, or you are just analyzing and interpreting fundamental data to take your trading decision. If you are able to master those things, those parameters that have the capacity of causing a change in price action, if you master how to interpret them and how to use them over a period of time, you begin to experience an increase in your profitability. And I tell you this, the more the data you have available to you, the more data you have available to you to analyze, the better the quality of your trading decision. I say it again, the more data you have available to you, whether it be technical data or fundamental data, the better the quality of your trading decision, because a whole lot of things affect price actions. So your knowledge, your broad knowledge of those factors that affect Forex price actions, the better the quality of your trading decision. Remember, in Forex trading, you either buy or sell. And of course, if your speculation suggests that price is going to rise, you have to enter the market in a buying position. But if it suggests that market price is going to drop, you enter into a selling position. So there are only two things that you do: either you buy or you sell. So what informs your decision for buying and selling is something that has to be historically consistent over a period of time. So in this case, take on a particular strategy. Maybe you're a beginner, or you are an intermediate Forex trader, or you're even a professional. You happen to be trading for a long time now, and you've been profitable. My advice to you is this: take on one particular strategy that suits your person. You need to have an understanding of you, understanding of the market, and develop a very rugged trading psychology. You see, you are not moved. You have backtested this your strategy. You know over a period of time that there is a certain level of drawdown that is possible using this strategy. So when you experience it trading a live funded account, you will not be bothered. You see, you won't be bothered because you know over a period of time something that has been consistently occurring using that strategy. When it shows up while you are trading a live account, you will not be moved. You will not be moved. So one, you need to select a particular strategy. Understand that strategy, true and true. Study it true and true, and have a full understanding of that strategy. Second, you begin to apply that strategy, and this is called backtesting. You check in the past, the times, the conditions that strategy has set up, okay, is complete, and what happened to price action. When you begin to do this takes time. It can take you weeks, it can take you months, it can take you years. You see, it doesn't matter how long it takes you, but your focus at this time is not making profits. Your focus is improving the quality of your learning, the quality of your understanding, and then your mastery on the use of that particular strategy. That's your focus. Maybe you're hearing someone is making $2,000, $500 a day. You're not moved. You're still calm. At the beginning stages, your focus is not profitability. Your focus, your primary concern is to achieve a full understanding and mastery of the use of that your chosen strategy. This will help you build a certain level of confidence when using that strategy in a live account. Okay, so you're focusing on mastering the use of that strategy at the beginning stages and not on making money. So I tell you this, you go back to that your strategy, select any strategy. study it, get information about that strategy. We have a lot of information on social medias, on YouTube, okay, on different Forex coaches websites that you can get information, or even from any academy that you can join and learn and have, a full information about that strategy. So now you know the strategy. Okay, in our academy we have 2 phases of our learning. Okay, the first phase is what we call the knowledge phase of the training. In this knowledge phase, we expose you to the 4 knowledge areas of Forex trading, which we identify to be the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. All right, we'll give you, it's just information. You get all information, detailed information, quality information on these 4 knowledge areas. And it will take you time to study them, imbibe them, all right? And then you move into the mentorship. This period will give you a challenge. You're going to take 45 trade challenge, okay? Applying the learning, applying the knowledge. This is a profitability curve. You are backtesting, you are trading on a practice account, on a demo account, applying the information that you have received over the period of the training. So you keep applying this and keeping your daily records in a trading journal. All right. So this daily record, after a period of maybe a month, 2 months, 3 months, can take you 6 months to complete the mentorship. Then we'll do an appraisal on the performance of each of those strategies, trades you took, applying different strategies. Of course, we'll expose you to different strategies. The strategies I teach in the academy, I don't use all of them. It's like a general class. So every Forex trader needs to be abreast of. Okay, I have a strategy that I have built around my own personality, my own trading psychology, which have developed a level of confidence that this strategy is working for me does not imply that it will work for anyone. For a strategy to work for you, you need to develop a high level of confidence on that strategy, and that can be achieved over a period of prolonged use, prolonged back testing until you master the use of that strategy. Your focus is improving on yourself first. Improving on yourself first. Then before you begin to think about making money, out of Forex trading. Most traders are looking out, what all those pro traders are doing, out there to copy their trading strategy. But in the quest of doing that, they confuse themselves even the more. So I tell you, come up with your own strategy. Don't look elsewhere. Begin to make efforts towards self-improvement on the right application of that strategy, to make profits increasingly. Focus on getting better and not on profits. Focus on getting better and not on profits, and also expose yourself to more data, more quality data, because the more data you have at your disposal in analyzing a particular instrument in the market, the better the quality of your trading. All right, we've come to the end of this. I have a series, and in the next video we're going to go deeper on this. If you like this video, I would like you to click that like button and share so that we can make more subsequent videos available to everyone. All right, till then, I say keep trading profitably and keep up the faith. I know one day you'll attain that level of consistent and sustainable profitability. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.